everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Forex.com account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the URL box popping up at the top, type in www.forex.com. and press enter on a keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Forex.com, click on the login link at the top right. This will take you to the login area for Forex.com. You'll need to enter your username and your password associated with your account. Start off by typing in your username associated with your Forex.com account that you created while signing up or registering for the account, and make sure to type in your information correct. On the next field where it says password, type in your password that you created while signing up for Forex.com. And if you'd like the system to remember your username in this particular device, leave this box checked and make sure that the little box is filled up with the green color. But if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave this unchecked for your security. If you've forgotten your password during the login process for your Forex.com account, do not worry at all. Click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions till the end so that you can reset to a new password. After filling in all of the details, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Forex.com account. Pretty simple, isn't it? That's how you can easily access and log in Forex.com account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.